I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share you the top 8 healthy beverages. Let's get started. Pomegranate juice. It packed with antioxidants. Research has suggested that the red juice may help prevent inflammation, heart disease and cancer. So having a glass every now and then is a good choice. Low fat milk. Excellent source of calcium and vitamin D. Great sources of protein. Low fat varieties are the best choice because they contain much less saturated fat than reduced fat milk or whole milk. Green tea. A cup of green tea is a better choice. Green tea is the healthiest beverage on the planet. It is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that have powerful effects on the body. Next is orange juice. It has high in antioxidants, may improve heart health, may help prevent kidney stones, rich in vitamin C, boost your immune system, makes your skin healthy. Beet and carrot juice. Beets have the ability to lower your blood pressure, increases your stamina, increase the blood flow to the brain, it detoxifies the liver, it helps reduce the risk of cancer, helps prevent against anemia and iron deficiencies. Next is ginger tea. Useful in improving digestion and increasing the absorption of food. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory properties that make it an ideal home remedy for muscle and joint problems. It has been promoted as a way to soothe an upset stomach, relieve motion sickness and pregnancy-related nausea, and helps improve digestion. Coconut water may have antioxidant properties, may have benefits against diabetes, delicious source of hydration, may help prevent kidney stones, rich sources of potassium. Watermelon juice helps you hydrate, contains compounds that may help prevent cancer, may improve heart health, may lower inflammation and oxidative stress, good for skin and hair. It can improve digestion. Benefits of antioxidants. Consuming foods rich in antioxidants may be good for your heart health, may also help to lower your risk of infections and some forms of cancer, improves your health. Above beverages are rich in antioxidants. So guys, that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoy this. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel. My name is SRINIVAS and I thank you so much for watching.